Well, that was a bit unexpected. I put fresh batteries in it, went forwards and backwards, didn't turn, and then it started smoking. I wonder if we can get more smoke. Obviously you don't have a smelly vision, so you can't smell it. But something definitely overheated there pretty quickly. Well, we better have a look in that, hadn't we? I won't bore you showing me undoing the screws, but it's got quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, plenty of screws. Right, I'll undo it and we'll have a look and see if we can see what started smoking. So, gear on the back axle, driven by that motor. I think there must be another reduction gear between the two of them. Feels a little bit rough, as if it might have broken teeth. And then here we've got a motor that drives the steering, and that feels nice and light. So where did the smoke come from? Let's see what happens if we try the power again. Nothing smoking forwards and backwards. And nothing happening left and right. So let's put a meter across the motor. Lost me other crocodile clip at the moment. I'll have to do a bit of digging. We don't appear to be getting power going to the motor, the steering motor. That's a shame. I was rather hoping I'd got a nice little chassis that I could use for other purposes. I think the camera can pick up the fact it's got a hole in the top of it, which I think we can be fairly sure is not a design feature. Well, that's a shame, as I say. I suppose I could put some voltage straight on that motor and see if it does actually work. I'll do that next. Alright, see if we can do this so you can see it. I've got, using the middle 4 batteries in this battery pack, so 4 rechargeable AAAs. It's going to be more like 4.8 volts instead of the 6 volts it would be getting from the fresh batteries. We clip on either side of the steering motor. That looks okay. So steering works, and we already saw that the drive works. But we got a dead receiver, or half dead, no steering on it. Never mind, that cost me 10 pence, didn't it? Because it was 20 pence for the 2 items together. So I got a couple of motors out of it. We got steering set up there that works. And we got a gearbox that seems to work, although as I say it sounds a bit rattly. Yeah. Have a look at that. Oh, there's another one under there. Oh, that's all that is. The crown gear has slipped off the end of the shaft there. Push it back a bit. That's a bit sloppy on there, but that's what that was. Don't know if the camera saw that. I've just spotted there's a burn mark in there. I'll show you that in a second. Just there. That's where that chip was. So, like I said, bit of a shame, but we've still got a usable steering system, usable motor and gearbox. Just got a dead receiver for 10 pence. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.